Listen up. I've spent years crawling through attics and mechanical rooms, from my days as a nuclear power electrician to nearly 2 decades in the HVAC trenches. When you're out in the field, you stop looking at the shiny brochures and start looking at how a unit is actually built. Today, we're breaking down 2 heavy hitters in the ducted split AC world, the Bryant 134SAN and the MRCOOL HAC15. Both of these are 2026 ready, but don't let the spec sheets fool you. There are some field truth differences you need to know before you sign that check. Let's talk armor. In the field, we call the cabinet the first line of defense. Now, I've heard some talk about the Bryant 134SAN not having full louvered protection, and the truth is, it uses a wire grill for the coil. In my professional opinion, that wire grill is the budget way to go. It offers even less protection than the stamped slotted panels you'll find on the MRCOOL HVAC15. While neither of these units has what I'd call superior armor, the MRCOOL's slotted panels at least provide a bit more of a barrier against small debris than the wide open wire on the Bryant. If you're worried about coil damage, you're looking at 2 units that are pretty vulnerable out there. Both of these rigs are hitting solid numbers for the basic tier. The Bryant is pushing a 16.0 SEER2, while the MRCOOL sits at 14.3 SEER2. They both use standard single-stage technology. No fancy variable speeds here. Since neither model comes with a factory-installed compressor blanket, expect them both to be a bit vocal in the backyard, with the Bryant at 72 decibels and the MRCOOL at 73. They'll keep you cool, but they aren't whisper-quiet luxury machines. Before we get to the warranty battle, I want to hear from you. Have you ever had to replace a unit because a hailstorm flattened your condenser fins? Or maybe a weed whacker got a little too close? Drop a comment below and tell me your horror stories. Now, let's look at the paperwork. Both Bryant and MRCOOL are offering a solid 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty on these models. It's a dead heat here. Neither one offers a unit replacement pledge in this basic tier, meaning if the compressor dies in year 9, they're sending you a part, not a whole new outdoor unit. It's standard protection, but it gets the job done. So, who takes the trophy? This one is a tough call. If you want the higher efficiency, the Bryant wins with its 16 SEER2 rating. However, if you're looking at build protection, the MRCOOL actually has a slight edge with its slotted panels over Bryant's wire grill. But since efficiency usually wins the day for most homeowners, I'm giving the slight nod to Bryant. Just make sure you keep the lawnmower far away from those exposed coils. If you want to see how these stack up against 60 other brands, head over to the website and use our head-to-head tool. Don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense field advice. I'm the HVAC Repair Guy. Stay cool, and I'll see you on the next one.